Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. And last time I had given a tip for coconut to be kept in front of Mahalakshmi ji, and I got some beautiful messages from students saying they had amazing change or they saw amazing changes. Today, when I was sitting with the readings, I felt why not bring in another tip just to see how things are changing in your lives. Today, when I was sitting in front of my cards and just trying to see what you can do, I felt let's pray to Vishnu ji and Lakshmi ji together. So, today, the mantra chanting that you will do is Om Shri Mahalakshmi Chivitmahe Vishnu Patni Chadimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat. I will repeat Om Shri Mahalakshmi Chividmahe Vishnu Patni Chadimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat. At least 21 times you people can chant this mantra today. Also today, if you can keep a kalash, a copper vessel, a copper pot and a coconut on it and burn 5 lamps. It can be any lamps, but if you specifically want to see beautiful changes in your life, then make it of 5 different ingredients in the lamp. I will give you an example. I will tell you what all. 1 lamp with coconut oil, 1 lamp with ghee, 1 lamp with neem oil, 1 lamp with gingerly oil, which is called as the tilka tel, and 1 lamp with mustard oil. And in all the 5 lamps, put one elaichi in each lamp. And on top of the kalash, inside the kalash, put water, and with the water add some haldi kumkum and little bit of rice, raw rice, not the cooked rice, and keep the coconut and chant this mantra if possible 108 times or at least 21 times and seek their blessings, and then sprinkle this water around the house, and that coconut you can have as a prasad. Try it and see, and do let me know, because when you bring in feedbacks that you're seeing beautiful changes in your life, and if you bring in feedbacks that you like these type of tips and readings, I would love to bring in more and more. So that's something which I felt a message from Lakshmi ji. Let's see. Oh, Varahi Amman, that's another beautiful card. Actually, the Varahi Navratri is coming, and I have brought in some beautiful statues from the Varahi Devi temple, and I'm getting a proper protection portly done for some clients who have already booked with me, and there she comes. She is a very powerful goddess and an amazing goddess. I always say every woman should seek her blessings. Everyone should, pray to Varahi Amman. She is very, very powerful, and the best part is, she will make you also stronger. When I say she will make you stronger, she is the one who can even destroy people who are hell-bent on destroying her devotees. And if you seek her blessings, she will see to it that she is always there for you. And whenever she comes in a reading, it is basically that things are challenging around you, but I am there for you, and everything is going to become bright and joyful for you in the future, and everything is going to fall in place, and soon all your financial issues will come out. So those who have already booked the Varahi yantra and the Varahi statue and potli from me, I am sure their blessings are going to come, and the rest at least pray to her and take her blessings, and I'm sure she's going to bless you beautifully, and she's going to give you all the blessings. And anyways, which Mahalakshmi ji has already given a tip on what you want, she wants you all to do today. So have a beautiful and an amazing day ahead.